Hello everyone and welcome to another room tour of our apartment in Ōsaka city. Nice. Welcome. Do you remember what this entrance is called? If you don't, bad luck, because I won't tell you again. You have to watch my Kanazawa room tour video if you want to know. But yeah, this is the place that Martin and I have been staying at for the past 2.5 weeks. And like I did with the room tour in Kanazawa, I will show you what this apartment looks like. Okay, first of all, we've got a washing machine. Amazing. Fun fact, Japanese people tend to wash their clothes with cold water only, no hot water. And then to our left, you can see our beautiful bathroom. Amazing. Do you remember the bathroom in Kanazawa? It was super small. This one is a lot bigger. This whole room is basically a shower. And we've got, of course, we've got a bathtub as well. We don't have a toilet, unfortunately, so we have to take a pee in the bathtub. I'm just kidding, of course. We've got a toilet. It's to our right. Welcome to the toilet room. Again, no fancy Japanese toilet with a bidet and everything, but very, very cool. I don't know if you know what this is. I mean, yes, obviously it's a sink, but what is this sink for and how do you turn it on, you might ask? So there are two options if you want to flush this toilet. This kanji is the kanji for big or a lot of water, and the kanji below is the kanji for a little water. So if you flush the toilet, the water being used to refill this tank is flowing through the tap, and you can use it to wash your hands. Very cool, isn't it? Okay, I'm outside the toilet room, and as you've seen before, this is our main room, not a tatami room like in Kanazawa. And yes, I know, it's kind of messy. I deliberately didn't clean it up because I wanted to show you what this room looks like after 2.5 weeks of staying here, and we don't have any space to put our stuff in, so yeah, we just put everything on the table. First of all, I think I'll show you the kitchen. Like in Kanazawa, a very, very small kitchen. We just had lunch, by the way. We ate some instant ramen. And we also have a fridge and a microwave. Yes, and this time we've also got, to the left, behind the kettle, this is a small toaster oven, whatever. We didn't have that in Kanazawa, but it's really cool because we can just put 2 pieces of toast in there and we don't have to use the frying pan to toast our bread like we did in Kanazawa. Alright, next, yeah, the main room. I mean, you can see, I'll show you the bed real quick, I think. Amazing flat screen television, which we haven't used once. So apparently this is supposed to be a double bed. I think for a double bed it's really quite small. I just can't sleep in there. It's too small. Well, I can sleep in there, but with 2 people it's just way too small. So what we did, every night we use these futon, and we put these futon just right next to the bed over here. We just push the couch and the table a bit over there so we have enough space, and either Martin or I, one of us sleeps on the futon and the other person sleeps on the bed, and that's just much more comfortable. I want to show you one last thing. We actually have a balcony this time. So first of all, you have to get to the balcony. So let's pull this open. There's like a small lever. Push. And welcome to the balcony. And this is the view from our apartment. Tomorrow will be our last day, and the day after tomorrow in the morning we will leave for Fukuoka, and of course I will show you our apartment in Fukuoka as well. So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!